Civic. I'm flossing in my Civic. I'm riding in my.
Alright, so we out here. Nighttime flow. About this little Edelbrock pump. It's for carbureted shit, but it should get the job done for what we trying to do. I'm gonna test it with this little battery here. Power hooked up there. Then we get the ground, and then coming out the tank. So we try to lighten the load. Let's go back here. That shit kind of loud. I don't even know if shit coming out that bad. I don't think it is. Shit, that bitch ain't even deep enough off in it though. You get no gas, I don't think. Uh-oh. I know I should have went with some more feet. Alright, so yeah. It's definitely gonna need some more feet. I forgot how long that damn neck is. Shit. Might have to go from right there. Shit. I ain't trying to, but damn. Alright, so the pump is running. Gas is flowing out of the tank and back into the gas can to lighten the load so we can have what we need. So I'm gonna let that do its thing, and that shit running off a damn battery. I might have to hold on to that little bitch. Look at it, it's pumping. The little pump they could. Alright, let me show you what we got. Down here. So tank has dropped. Tank has dropped. Center unit has been removed. We're gonna get this pump and harness off of here. Put the new one up, heat shrink it in, and then get the new one on and go from there. I don't know what all this white shit is. It could just be this filter deteriorating, which may have clogged up the pump. And then, yeah, ultimately caused the problem. So, we're gonna get this bullshit off here. And then go from there. So yeah, like I was saying before, pack touchdown. Let me show you what we got here. Pack touchdown. So I told y'all what I was gonna do, right? I was gonna go get a new fuel pump. So not only did I get one, two, three, 4 pumps. That way the C10 get one, and then I got a backup for the C10, the Cutlass, and the box Chevy. The only car that's not running this pump is the two-door box Chevy, and when it start giving us issues, it's getting one too. So got our connection made, about to heat shrink it. I don't trust no open flame down here by this tank. So got this little heat gun from the job, heat tool, just shrink them things on up, and then we good to go. Put the pump on, see what's poppin'. Bitch being over. No, I'm playing. Alright, so tank is back up. Since I got this pump here, I'm gonna use this shit to pump that gas back off in there. It was still a little bit of gas in there. You ain't gotta get it all out, but it helps. Make sure your flow is going in the right direction. Let's back up to the tank. I'm saying, get you a battery, jump box, whatever. Just swerve on. Swerve on, please. Alright, so wrapping this up, clean up the rest of the tools. Oh shit, I need some keys. We're gonna crank some Cutlass keys. Right, there you go. New fuel pumping style. We back in action, baby. And she probably running better than it was before, man. Like I said, that Kimzo pump don't play at all. So, not as exactly sure why it don't be firing on the first start. Probably could have something to do with the tune, but I go to old busted pump, which is now trash. And on to the next.